Hey, hello. So I am going to show you what the Lenovo smart clock looks like after you buy it. So it's pretty cool. It comes in this box. You can see a lot of UPCs, and it does a lot of things. So anyway, thought we'd take a look together. So 1 second. As you can see, I'm still wearing my sneaks, my Alibaba shoes from a previous video. Let's see if we can get this unwrapped. Okay, now the reason I bought this clock was it's basically a smart clock. It's powered by Google Assistant. I'm not a big fan of Echoes or anything that has a listening device in my home, even though I do understand and realize that the cell phone is the same thing. But this one has a mic switch and no camera, so you have more privacy options. So with Lenovo, you can turn the mic off so that if it's by the bed, nobody can hear your sweet nothings. So that's kind of nice. Hopefully it's legit, because in theory they could just keep the mic on and we would think that it was off. But hopefully we can trust them. So go ahead and pull this sucker out. It says, "Hey Google, wake me up at 7 a.m. Anyway, pretty nice box. Interesting. See if we can get this sucker to come out. So, there we go. Go ahead and push. It's exciting. 1 second. Oh, okay. Yeah, it's not a push through, it's just an open. So, as you can see, we just have to break the seal. So I got this at Best Buy, and it was $49.99, which was $30 off the original price. And I got a $6 insurance on it, so for 2 years replacement. So anyway, as you can see, cool box, and even better, flat, open. Ta-da! It's actually smaller than I thought it would look. See, I was thinking it would be bigger, but it's not. It's this. So, very cool. Comes in a nice wrapper too. And that's cloth. It's actually very soft touch cloth. So, let's get this thing unwrapped and plugged in and synced and see what happens. So, very shiny. If you notice, there's a plus sign and a negative sign. I'm assuming for volume. There. And on the bottom it's got little rubber stampies to keep it in place. And then on the back there is the infamous mic switch, which I'm very excited about. So it will not display videos or photos, but you can control whether or not it's listening or not. So no camera, no mic if you don't want it. So that's cool. It's got headphones, and it looks like a USB port for either charging and or power. So very exciting. So this is the Lenovo clock. Now we're going to set this beautiful thing down, and as you can see, there's the package with the goods, the box of tape. So looks like nothing in here but, oh, look at this. Oh, hold on. Very exciting. A instruction manual with Google Assistant instructions, and then the Lenovo Smart Clock instruction manual. So we'll definitely read this, probably not right now, and definitely at a different time. So, needless to say, as you can see here, is the cord. And I do believe I was wrong. The USB was not for power, since this is. So there must be, oh, that was not for headphones. That was for the power cord. Insert power on. Okay, I still have to plug it in. So hold on 1 second. It's like a rubber band. Hold on. There. Now we have power. It's exciting. So how do we turn it on? I'm gonna go with plus sign. And oh, look, it's powering up. This will be the first time that we've seen it. I don't know what that is. Oh, you can't really see it. It's weird. It said Lenovo. And now we got the shiny eyes.
Hi, I'm your Google Assistant. To get started, download the Google Home app on a phone or tablet.
Uh-oh. What if we don't want to? Let me see. Well, looks like we have to. So, I think the rest of it you guys will know. It's pretty much like any other clock or Bluetooth device. But, hey, you got to see it. And again, this is real smooth. It's like cloth. Very exciting. Very cool. So anyway, rubber stickies, power cord, infamous mic switch.
The mic is muted. The mic's back on.
What?
The mic is muted.
Say it again?
The mic's back on.
What?
The mic is muted.
What?
The mic's back on.
Anyway, thanks for listening. So, the Lenovo Smart Clock. And that's got it. So that's pretty exciting. And never forget, without a doubt.
The mic is muted.
And another thing.
The mic's back on.
Have fun. Thanks. Bye.